Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making breakfast. We are making breakfast. Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making breakfast turnovers. Really easy to put together. Perfect for the weekend, perfect on the go, perfect for brunch, or whenever you have a breakfast craving. This, my friends, is a dynamite. So now let's walk over to the very basic ingredients to get started. Okay, my friends, here are the simple ingredients. Right here I have 8 whole eggs. I have some garlic. I might use 1 or 2 depending how I feel. I have some salt and pepper to taste, butter. I have some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I'm using about a half a cup, but you can use as much or as less as you want. And right here I have about a cup of plum tomatoes, or any kind that you like. I have here some scallions, about 1/3 cup, and I have here 1 pound of sausage. And then I also have refrigerator dough. So now let's get started. So preheat your oven on 350 while that is getting nice and hot. Now let's go over to the stove and cook up our ingredients. Okay guys, now let's begin on a medium saucepan. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, just give it a turn. Now this is salted butter because I'm not putting so much salt in the eggs. So you know, a little flavor goes a long way. So now we're going to put in the green scallions and the tomatoes. We're going to let this saute together. Look at that beautiful color, and it smells so good already. It smells so good already. So right now, while that is also cooking down a bit, I would like to put in my garlic, just so that way it could cook down and get everything through. Easy peasy. And then we're just going to saute these together for a minute or 2, just until it starts sweating down, and that will take just a minute or 2 on medium heat. See you right back. Alright guys, so right here with my eggs, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of salt and pepper to taste and give it a good Alright, so after whisking your eggs, I didn't add any creamer. I didn't think it was necessary, but if you want to, you certainly can. And you can substitute the vegetables for whatever you want. If you want to use onions, you can, because scallions have a light onion flavor. I didn't want something so overpowering, but hey, if you want to, you can certainly do so. I'm going to put another teaspoon of butter. It's getting kind of dry, and I don't want my eggs to cook dry like that, so with my butter broken to pieces, but that's okay. So another teaspoon or so. So you know, you just eyeball it to how much butter you need, and that looks good enough, because I don't want it, and it's not going to stick to my pan because I have a non-stick pan, but I don't really like my eggs to be dry, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to put in my eggs in, and now I'm just going to cook them softly. I don't want them to get overly cooked, because they are going to cook in the oven. So you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so as you can see, it is cooked. They're not runny, but it's a little bit soft. And you know what? That's what you're gonna want right now, because when it bakes in the oven, it's gonna have more time to cook, and you don't want your eggs to be rubbery, dry, or anything like that. So right now I'm gonna take this out because it's done. It's perfect. It's just the way. Alright, so don't even bother cleaning out this pan. This is just gonna have lots of flavor for our sausage. Now we're gonna put in our sausage in here and let this while the egg mixture cools off. And that's it. Easy as that. So I'm gonna wait for this to be done, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. Alright guys, now let's begin. I have here my pastry dough that I had already defrost, and I have placed all-purpose flour all over my clean surface. And now make sure you have some space for this. You just want to stretch it out a little bit, but you want to put a little flour on top and on the bottom so it doesn't stick to your surface. That is all to it. So now it is pretty much thawed out, a little bit cold, and that's fine. You don't want it room temperature, or else you're not going to be able to roll this. Now I just want to stretch this out a little bit so we can make some rectangles with it, which will be the pastry part of our turnovers. And that's it. Nothing more to it. Okay, it's stretched. It's fine. Don't worry about any imperfections because this is homemade. And that's that. So you're going to get a knife and you just want to cut through carefully and right across. Alright, now you have 4 squares. And now what you want to do is begin to fill them. Okay, so right now I'm going to put right here a little bit of my egg mixture that we made right here in the center. And I'm going to put a little bit of my cooked breakfast sausage. This is pork, by the way. You can use turkey or whatever flavorings that you want. Okay. Spread it a little bit. And a little bit of the sharp cheddar cheese. Put as little or as much as you like. And then that's it. Then we're just going to fold it shut. Like so. Oh, and I forgot to mention to you, 1 egg beaten with either 1 tablespoon of water or cream, and I just use water today. And I'm going to beat this through because this is going to be our glue. Now, of course, with your clean hands, you can dab the inside, and this is what's going to help us glue this together. And this will stick just like that. I was like, I know I forgot something. Oh, thank God I remember it before it was too late. So I'm going to prepare this into one more. Take some of my mixture, maybe not make it too big. Maybe that was a little puffy. That will be mine. A little bit of the meat mixture. Some grated cheese. A dab with your clean hands, cook's best tools, of the egg mixture, just so that way this can stick. It's like an edible glue on all sides. and then just corner to corner, like in a triangle form. And like I said, if any one of your fillings just pop out, just stick it right in. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up and show you what I do next. Okay, my friends, so right here I have 8 turnovers. I brushed off any excess flour that might be on top. You want to do that. You also want to take a fork and crump the edges just so that way it doesn't puff up and open, which it can happen. And then you also, after you do that, you want to place a little hole right in the center just so that way steam can let out and you don't have to worry about your pastries opening up on the sides. So chances are that can happen too. So just whoop. And I have my pastries on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm gonna brush them with my egg wash, and I'm gonna place this in the oven that's already preheated on 350. I'll see you right back. Hi guys, so my breakfast pastries came out the oven and they're beautifully golden brown. They had baked for 25 minutes. I had let them cool off for a good 10 to 15 minutes because you never want to bite into something so piping hot. And I am gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna cut it in half to show you how it looks inside. Look at that flakiness. Look at that gorgeous. Okay guys, so let's do a taste test. I told you how crispy they are and they smell so good. And look how simple it is just to eat it. It's like finger food, right? Easy, easy, easy. So much flavor in every bite. Delicious, crispy, flaky, and the center with the filling that we made. So delicious. You can change up the vegetables if you want. You can change up and not using pork sausage if you want to use turkey sausage, whatever have you. You have to make wonderful to entertain with. However you want to use them, do it because it's delicious and you're gonna love it. So thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Really simple, really easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And I will speak to you again. Take care. Bye-bye.